Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at gold, daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. Bulls showing back up today, higher low and higher high. We are right at that middle Bollinger Band resistance. We actually closed just above it. And now we need to see a break of 1275.90 to continue to higher highs. And once the bulls break the high of October 5th, and depending on what source you're looking at, here it's 1279.40. Most places have it in the 1279 range somewhere. Breaking that level, look at how little resistance there is as we head back up towards 1300 psychological resistance. So keep that in mind. We have one key resistance left. And here on stock charts, we haven't broken the high of October 20th, but I do have it breaking on other charts. So it all depends on your sources. And I'm switching my sources. I used to cover the gold futures and the natural gas futures. I don't like what that does to the charts. I don't like the artificial changes when contracts roll over. So I'm going to start looking at XAU USD to cover gold. And the levels are going to be a little bit different depending on what you're looking at, but the price action will be the same, and key resistance levels looking at highs of days and such will be the same as well. So for gold, it is still a potential bear flag on the weekly. We have to get over this 200-week moving average resistance of 1277.38 to get over that level, and we can see stock charts. There we go. Now it's updated. So it is still a bear flag. 1275.45 is that resistance. And we need to see a close above that level this week. Tomorrow is very important. We're looking for follow-through. We had a 4-hour bullish MACD cross today on gold. And again, this is XAU USD. So we're looking for continuation. I do have the high of October 20th breaking. And now we've got resistance, that high of October 5th. And for here, that's 1277.26. So we came up to 1276.80, about 46 cents shy of that level. And if the bulls can continue strong, that's going to be a very key break. And that's exactly what the bulls are looking for. Because again, look at how little resistance was formed on this absolute dump. And we should see some nice smooth sailing. Keep an eye on the dollar. The dollar formed a bearish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame today. Big profit taking day. We need to see a red day to confirm it. And again, I've been pointing out the fact that gold is still trading higher with the dollar at 7-month highs and tons of strength in the dollar is a good sign for the gold bulls. So I'm looking at continuation tomorrow, checking on the hourly time frame. We can see a big strong move. The RSI cooling off a little bit. We've got all these Apple earnings alerts. Looks like Apple just beat. So cooling off the RSI on the hourly time frame and just stair-stepping higher lows and higher highs. So the bull's still looking good on the gold hourly. Let's look at these miners. NUGT closed above the middle Bollinger Band on the daily for the first time today. But again, the notable difference, we still have not broken the high of October 19th, $15. We came pretty close today. We came within 17 cents. But you look at JNUG, and JNUG has already broken the high of October 19th. We broke it yesterday, and we broke it again today. So keeping an eye on JNUG and NUGT, the difference between the two today, NUGT broke the high of yesterday, whereas JNUG did not. So NUGT catching up a little bit. There's not a big discrepancy between the two, but again, it is there and it does exist. So we're looking for JNUG if you're playing bullish and dust if you're playing bearish. And the NUGT bulls want to see a break of $15, the sooner the better. And then we'll be looking at up to this gap. If we do see gold get above the October 5th high, we can look for the miners to start filling that gap. So that's what we're looking at moving forward. It was a very important big day for the bulls. Big success compared to recently where big pops have led to big sell-offs and the gains have not held. We held those gains today. Now it's all about the high of October 5th. Cannot stress that enough. That is the key level for the bulls to break to continue this strength to the upside. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a fantastic night, and I'll see you soon.